There are only a few phrases no person should ever expect to hear.
Yeah, I don't know if anyone's told you yet, but someone pooped in the microwave.
Is one of those phrases.
It smells really bad. It's practically embedded into my Mega Man t-shirt.
Putting poop in the microwave is a very serious problem. By 2012, it is estimated that 1 in 10 full-time students at all four-year universities will put poop in the microwave and nuke it.
It's tough to say, no, I will not poop in the microwave. But it's so hard when that's all you've been thinking about all day long.
Depending on the microwave's maximum wattage, the stench of microwave poop could go down a maximum of 4 floors. Eventually, it could affect up to 100 or more students too. Aside from bacteria left behind by microwave fecal matter, microwave poop provides for lots of psychological problems.
I'll never eat popcorn the same again.
Do the right thing. The choice is yours.